At this time of year, riversides across the nation, like here in the River Trent, are covered in swathes of this pink flower. Bees love it and it makes the paths look pretty, but this plant is a pest and it's devastating for biodiversity. This is Himalayan Balsam.
Himalayan balsam grows very, very tall, it outshades all the other vegetation, and eventually, like we have here, you end up with pretty much just a monoculture.
Lack of diversity reduces the opportunities for insects and birds, but this plant, which spreads rapidly, also has a seriously damaging knock-on effect for river life and human communities living alongside Britain's rivers.
It doesn't put much energy into creating roots and doesn't create those big roots that we have on perennial plants that help to bind the soil on the sides of rivers. So sediment going into the rivers covers areas of sand and gravels, which are ideal breeding grounds for most of our fish populations. Having lots of soil going into rivers lifts the bed of the river, which helps to displace water, causing more flooding.
Conservationists and scientists are working on an experiment to help control the invasive weed. It starts by mapping out how far the Himalayan balsam has spread.
I'm doing a survey on Himalayan balsam to see where it's present, absent, and if it is present, what kind of habitat is it in and how much is there.
Once mapped, the team can methodically weed the problem areas. With just small groups of volunteers, the project is working across catchments in West Nottingham and is making a huge difference.
We ran a couple of pilot projects on two sites, one in the Mourne and one in the Lean, to see how much impact it would be if we consistently hit a site throughout the year. When we came back the year after, we found that we'd reduced the amount of Himalayan balsam by about 90–95%. So we had a massive impact on those sites.
Now the team are looking to expand the project across the East Midlands. Himalayan balsam is a national problem. The conservationists here may have found a solution.